Hello praisers and savers, my name is Sandy and welcome back to my channel. Today is September the 18th and we will be headed into CVS to get some amazing deals. These deals go from September the 18th until September the 24th, which is Saturday. If you are not already subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I would love to have you on all my variety of platforms. In today's video, guys, we're going to get some clearance deals and also just some regular couponing deals like usual. The first thing I'm getting are these Effordents. These are the 102 count. They're usually $6.99, but there is a extra care buck when you buy it for $5 back. So essentially, you're going to pay $6.99 at the register. You'll get $5 back at the end of the transaction, which makes these just $1.99. This is a no coupons needed deal. And the great thing about this is you can do this twice. So you can go ahead and pick up 2 boxes and you'll go ahead and you'll get $10 back in extra care bucks after you pay the $14 at the register. This is a great deal on the Oral-B toothbrushes. We're going to be getting these just for 99 cents each. So they're usually $6.99, but they're on sale right now for $3.99. We're actually going to be picking up 5 of them, and there is a reason. So picking up 5 of them, they're going to be $19.95. There's a $6 coupon on Oral-B or Crest products when you buy 4. Then there's a $3 coupon if you spend $18 on those Oral-B. That's a CRT. So you can use that CRT, that store coupon, that $3 store coupon in conjunction with the $6 coupon. Then you're going to get back $6 in extra care bucks. After the coupon, CRT, and the extra care bucks, the total is $4.95 or just 99 cents each. All right, the next deal is going to be on this Colgate Total. These are $5.79, and when you spend $10 on Colgate, toothbrushes, toothpaste, mouthwash, whatever, then you'll get back $5 in extra care bucks. So we're going to pick up 2 of these Colgate Total toothpaste. It's going to be $11.58. You can mix and match with some of the cheaper ones, but I just went ahead and give you this math. There is a $4 coupon on the app for Colgate products. And then there's a $1 coupon on the coupons.com app. Or if you want to, you can print off a $1 Colgate coupon. Whichever, you can use both. So you're using that $4 coupon on the app and then one of those $1 coupons, whether it's a coupons rebate app one or a printable one from the coupons website. Then you're going to get back $5 in extra care bucks. After the $5 in coupons and the $5 in extra care bucks you'll receive, your total will be $1.58 for both or 79 cents each on the Colgate toothpaste. Now, I usually do not do deals on this high-priced Aveeno products, but I figured this would be really great going into the winter season. Now, you can do this on any of the Aveeno, Lubriderm, any of those things, and it's going to be a decent deal. These are $8.99, but everything with the Aveeno deal is buy one, get one 50% off. Plus, when you spend $30 in those products, you'll get back $10 in extra care bucks. So I did a variety of different things on this, but just to make it simple for you, of course, you can get the body wash, you can get the lotion, you can go over to the baby department and get the baby items there. What I did was I picked up 5 of the items that were $8.99. Because they're buy one, get one 50% off, it's like getting each one for $6.75. When you buy 5 of them, that's like paying about $33.75. Now, like I said, you can mix and match various products. I was just giving you a roundabout number. There are a ton of different platforms that have Aveeno coupons out there right now. So you can use some of the coupons that are on the CVS app. There are $2 coupons, and just scan it for the various products that I mentioned before, like the lotion, the body wash, or the baby items. There's also coupons on the Coupons app that you can scan and get that money back at the end of the transaction. In addition, there are coupons on the coupons.com printable, so you can print those off their website on the coupons.com website and use those as well. Then, of course, you're going to get back $10 in extra care bucks. So you'll pay roughly about $13.75 for these products. Now, I could have gotten it even cheaper, but IBOTTA was not having it. I'm not sure if it's because of the new rules with IBOTTA and using manufacturer coupons with the transaction, but I think I picked up the wrong item. It wasn't scanning. I picked up the blue bottles of the Aveeno, and I think I should have picked up the green ones. I'm going to pop up a picture for you guys to see what I'm talking about, and I'm, just showing you. But if I would have picked up the green bottles of the daily moisturizer ones, then I would have gotten this for super, super cheap, but it just didn't work out the way I wanted it to. Don't make the mistake that I made. Have a great deal on the U by Kotex. These are going to be just 40 cents each. So these are $5.19 each. The liners, that's the cheapest ones in my store. The U by Kotex are on sale right now for buy one, get one 50% off. So it's like getting one of them at $3.90. We're going to pick up two of them, of course, for this deal. Our total is going to be $7.80 before coupons and extra care bucks. Then there is a $2 coupon on the CVS app. And then there's also a $3 app-only coupon when you spend $6 on Kotex pads or liners. That is attaching as well. In addition to that, we'll get back $2 in extra care bucks. So with a $2 digital coupon, the $3 CRT, and getting back $2 in extra care bucks, our total is going to be 80 cents or 40 cents each. All right, guys, do not forget about your September freebie, your beauty freebie. I'm going to pick up these. These are part of it. Make sure you ask your customer service representative for the list, and this was part of it. So these were $3.47 each. I always want hair bows for my girls, so I made sure I picked these up. And this is going to be a total freebie. No paper coupons needed. This is going to be a digital coupon for September if you have not already picked up your September freebie. So totally free. All right, as many of you already know, the summer items are on super duper sale this week. It's on clearance, and they've gone down even more. I know there are a lot of items that are 90% off, but I picked up these backpacks. This was usually $9.99. But I got it for $2.50 each. These are great to put a variety of blessing bag type items in the backpack. You don't always have to give it to kiddos. You can give it to people who are in need with different toiletry items. I picked up two purple ones and a blue one at $2.50 each. So I was super excited about that. But just scan these summer clearance items for some great deals. In addition to the book bags, I also picked up these fans. The tall fan was usually, I think, $40, and I got them for $10. And then the tabletop fan was usually $30, and I got these for $7.50. The associate manager knows I have been waiting for these to go on super clearance, and I have said to him every time I go in, let me know if these go on clearance. So I was able to scoop some of these up today to use in my classroom. So, yep, very excited about these fans. All right, guys, this is everything I picked up. Please make sure that if you love these deals, to smash that like button and share it with a friend. Make sure that you guys get the right Aveeno products and don't be like me. I also went ahead and submitted my receipt to the Coupons app just to see if I'll get the money back on there as well. So my deal might be better than I thought it was. But guys, I will see you next time. I have a Walmart video that will be going up Tuesday morning at 8 o'clock. And it's an insane video with lots of great deals. So be sure to look for the video on Tuesday. All right, guys, thanks for shopping with me. I will see you in the next one.